Alright, never done one of these before, but I thought I'd do an unboxing video since I just got this Safetran mechanical bell today. So I'm just gonna already cut the tape over here, and I'm just gonna open this up and show you what's inside here. Packs pretty well. There's that for effect. I'm not going to upload this video depending on how I feel about it. Let's see here. Got a bunch of glue packing material. Yep, here's the bell itself. And yeah, there it is, Safetran mechanical bell. No idea if it works, but we're going to get to find out here in a little bit. You can see on the back there it says Safetran Systems Corp. Came off of the CSX P&A subdivision, or the may have been the Dothan subdivision, but I believe it's P&A subdivision is the guy who I bought from lives along there, or at least near there. And it was given to him by a friend of his who was a maintainer, a signal maintainer for CSX. So yeah, it's my Safetran mechanical bell I just bought.